What's going on, Wolski Squad? It's me, Peter, in my friend's house with Xbox, and little puppy Coco. Coco, look it. Hello. My name's Coco. Hello, guys. Puppy. I'm his cat. Come on. Get scared. No. Hello, cat. Hello, Coco. She's scared. Cute looking. So cute looking. Look at you. Okay. I'm not feeling this because I told my mom that I'm going to do a video with Coco, this little puppy. Yeah. That's the end of the video because I was supposed to show Coco. Okay. Bye.